Good morning, everybody. Tom Awesome with Awesome Ottawa Tours. We're at Goodall Cemetery. In keeping with our mission statement at Awesome Ottawa Tours of respect, preservation, and education, we're going to replace that, guess used to be a flag, with this new flag. I had hoped to do it on a tour tomorrow, but the weather's looking terrible tomorrow. But let's see if we can get this down and get this new flag. All done. Looks good. Now let's properly dispose of this old flag, which I have. Embarrassing. VFW in Ottawa, and they have this nice mailbox here, which is where you would put worn flags. Flags, once they have gotten too tattered to fly respectfully, need to be disposed of properly. And if you drop them here at the VFW in Ottawa, they will do that for you. But thanks for listening. Remember, respect, preservation, and education. That's what Awesome Ottawa Tours is all about. Thank you. Have a good day.